Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Citrea token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, CTR is the coordination token of the Citrea network, Bitcoin's application layer enabling institutions and user to access Bitcoin capital markets powered by user knowledge technology. Criteria supports a diverse Bitcoin economy secured by the Bitcoin network. CTR holders given this economy by voting on ecosystem and the protocol proposals. Criteria token total supply is 10 billion and circulating supply is around 1.2 billion CTR token. CTR token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Coinbase, Binance Alpha, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.